What did you find out?
What'd you find out?
Nothing.
What did you find out?
I never read it. What else did you find out?
A whole bunch of stuff.
How did you find out?
I always find out. Just be there.
When did you find out Nate was investigating the fund?
How did you find out in the first place? Did you talk to my father?
Have you applied for it yet?
How did you find out about that?
And how the hell did you find out where I lived?
Same way I found out your name.
By the way, did you find out who betrayed you in North Korea?
Only a matter of time.
Do you really think you could keep it a secret from me?
How did you find out?
Driver's license?
What did you find out, Constable?
The widow Winship was with child.
Hey, Alex, what'd you find out?
Okay, this is a bigger deal than Haley let on.
How did you find out?
How did you think I wouldn't find out?
Let me guess.
When did you find out that I was in Croatia?
I pulled your file after India.
How did you find out about the Hotel Montiglione?
It wasn't hard. Hotel registry.
How did you find out I didn't do it?
I didn't. I just realized I already knew.
How'd you find out about us? I'm a world-class assassin, fuckhead. You think I found out?
Mom, do I have a twin brother?
How did you find out? Who told you?
Wait, what? It's true?
But how did you find out which tables I would be seated at? You rubbed your fingers together.
Hi, Frank. Nice to see you.
Trip?
Ed, I've got that data for you on the bomb.
Good. What did you find out?
Well, the explosive itself is a very fine powder.
She's in love with somebody else. Some tax attorney. She moved in with him.
How did you find out?
I followed her. I stood outside the building.